Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a dashboard in Salesforce. So firstly, open your browser and log into your Salesforce account. Now before going forward by creating a dashboard, firstly what you do is just simply group your reports. Now what I mean is just simply go to reports and let's open a report. Let's go with open opportunities over here. Now what I mean is, let me go to edit. Then now what I mean is by group is you have to add few groups over here in the group section, because without the group section you will not be able to see the charts over here. So in order to see the chart and get the data in your dashboard, you will have to create groups. So it will directly extract the data from your report and it will form a chart that will show you all the details that you want. So as you can see, I have two types of groups: close month and opportunity owners. So as you can see, it is grouped by close months over here and opportunity owner over here. You can also change the chart type from the setting icon over here, and you can choose a different type of chart if you want that. But that is something that we are going to do in the dashboard. Now, for going back to the dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is simply click on dashboard over here. And for some reason, if you are unable to see dashboard, just simply go to the square icon over here and search for dashboard over here. And it should pop up. So just simply click on it and it will bring you at the very same place. Now in dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is just simply click on new dashboard. Over here, simply enter the name of your dashboard. So for me, I will just simply go with ES open opportunities. Now after that, the important part is choosing a folder. So choosing a folder means where you want this dashboard to be seen. Like you can choose in marketing department or in sales division department or in lead generation department. Or if you want, you can also keep it as private dashboard, as you can see over here. So in order for you to actually choose folders, what you have to do is simply click on select folders, and all the folders that you have will be listed over here. So you can just simply pick any one of them and go with that. Or if you want to, you can also create a new one. So if you add the dashboard in different types of folder, people will be able to see your dashboard and can also edit and modify your dashboard. Now, after choosing the folder, just simply click on create over here. Now give it a few seconds. Then when you are in your blank space, just simply click on components over here. Now in component, choose the report that you want to get the data from. So as you can see over here, I have a lot of data. So it is possible that you can extract data and charts from multiple types of reports. So for me, I'll just simply go with the opportunity report for now. Then click on the report, then click on select over here. You can see a bunch of charts. Now, as I said you earlier, in order to see the charts, you have to create the groups that I mentioned earlier. Now over here, you will find multiple types of charts like horizontal, vertical, a funnel based chart, a pie chart, or a meter chart, or a metric chart if you want that. All the charts have different types of meaning and can help you in a different type of way. So just simply choose whichever chart you want. Then just simply scroll down, and over here you can choose modes like standard or dynamic. Then in the measure, you can change the order. Like for now, it is sum of amount. You can also go to record count and it will change the order. And over here, you can also change the color of the meter. Just like that. Then just simply click on any blank space and the meter is changed. You can do that as well. Now you can also change the values for the data. So for now, I will just simply go back to the sum of amount. Then if you scroll down, you will find multiple options over here as well. Now over here, you have few options. If you want, you can see the percentage, you can see the range as well. Now I have to add one more thing. All the settings over here will change according to your chart that you choose to. So after that, after choosing all the ranges over here, you can scroll down and come to dynamic place. Just simply click on automatic. You can choose multiple type of options over here, like in how many numbers do you want your amount or the meter to show. So for me, I'll just simply go with the 2. Then if you want to add a custom link, you can add that over here. If you want to change the title, you can also do that. And if you want to add a subfolder or a footer, you can also do that. Now in the end, you will have the option to change the theme of the chart that you want to add. So I will just simply go with the dark. Then after you're done with all of the settings, just simply click on add. Then if you want, you can also resize it just by clicking on the chart. Then a blue box will surround it. Then just simply click on the edges and drag it according to your liking. Now let's add another component. So just simply click on component. Now this time I'm going to choose a component that is going to extract data from a different type of report. So let's go with this one. So just simply click on the report, then click on select. Now as you can see, it has a completely different set of records. So for this one, I will just simply go with a table chart. Like it will show you the brief detail for most of the important groups and charts that you have made in that report. Now as you can see, I already told you earlier, the settings below will be changing according to your chart or table that you choose over here. As you can see over here, it is changing. So in the table manner, you will have multiple types of options like grouping, columning, opportunity name, account name, stage, account, meaning it will show you all the types of columns that you have created over here. Then you can also store it by different type of data that you have created. You will also have a different type of unit numbers over here. You will also have the different type of placement over here. But in the end, again, the same settings will be available like title, subtitle, and again, you can choose the color theme, white, dark, it's up to you. So let's go with white this time. So I will just simply choose white and click on add. Now you can also change the location of a component just by clicking on the component and dragging it to wherever you want. Like for example, beside it. And again, you can also change the size of this one as well. If you want to change the size of a different component that is beside your component which you are working on, you can do that and it will adjust the other component automatically, as you can see over here. Now there are a few more settings that you can do. So the first setting is filter. So just simply click on filters. Now what filter will does is it will show you details from different type of columns in your chart. Like if you have created a chart defining certain areas in your business or company, whichever purpose you may be using the dashboard for. If you want to see the charts for a certain sector like the marketing sector or the sales sector, you can just simply search in over here, like for example shipping. Then if you want to see the data and the charts for the shipping department, you can just simply click on shipping. Then you can just simply add a filter value. Then add a filter value over here. Then you can click on add over here. Then it will add the shipping department. And then you can see this whenever you may like. Now, after you have done with all of the settings, the first thing that you will do is just simply click on done over here. Then it will ask you to save. So just simply click on save. Now, after you have done all of the changes, just simply click on refresh to see all the changes. Now that is because your charts and groups are gathering details and information from various type of report. So it takes time for them to gather information. So in order for you to actually see the changes, you must have to click on refresh. Now there is one more setting that you can do which is subscribe. So it's just like how you subscribe in reports, but in this one is just simply click on subscribe. Then it will send you a weekly, daily or monthly emails regarding your dashboard and all the up-to-dates of your dashboard. So it will automatically send the email to your mail that you have connected. Like it could be your personal email or office email, but I would suggest you to use your office email. So after doing all of that, making the changes over here, just simply click on save. And after save, that's it. That's how you can create a dashboard in Salesforce. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.